Now let's go into a takeoff. Takeoff can only be entered when doing a site cost or a final estimate. Start by going into the Estimate tab and either opening your estimate or creating a new one. You are able to add materials or assemblies into the estimate straight away before takeoff by finding it in the list and clicking Add Material. Takeoff is used for measuring plans or importing CAD files. You'll find the Takeoff button up top next to Finalize. This will bring up the Takeoff overlay. Now we're in Takeoff. Go into the Documents box in the top right and either search for plans you have scanned in or scan them in now. Double click on the plans, which bring them into the right hand side Documents tab. At the top of that box is the button Measure this document. Click that to bring it into the left side, which is where we do the measuring. The plan will need to be adjusted, so use the magnifying glass to zoom in and out. Then measure one of the lengths of the plans and type the length into the box up top. If you need to remeasure, press the Calibrate button on the left. Above your plans, you will see your items list. Choose the item you wish to measure. You will have already chosen whether the item measures in linear, square, or each, and depending on the country, imperial or metric. Here in the example, I'm measuring excavations and slab, which are set to square meters. I'm also measuring a sewer line, which is set to linear meter. Once measured, it will go into the right hand side mapping screen. This will use your template to automatically map the item to a specific material. You can override the mapping and change to any material you'd like from the material in the assembly list on the right. Once done with all your measuring or importing, click Commit to Estimate. Alternatively, if you have CAD files you would like to import, there is an Import button in the Estimate mapping screen, and this will bring your CAD files through a template straight into your mapping screen and into your estimate. Now you're able to exit the Takeoff overlay. Back in the estimating screen, you will see the materials that you either measured or imported. We can now finalize the estimate. Then click the red X. Now you can see your other estimates and move on to your next estimate.